Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. So guys, my husband and a friend was talking because I sent my jackfruit smoothie to him and he showed her, and she said wow, she made it too, but also she made jackfruit ice cream and jackfruit cake, and she said I should try them. So here goes. I'm gonna make some jackfruit ice cream. Got this from Amazon, and it's organic heavy coconut cream. All right, so this is vegan, vegetarian friendly. Okay, also I'm just gonna add some sweetened coconut milk. So no dairy around here. I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla, and this is my jackfruit, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna puree this amount. I'm not gonna make a lot, I'm just gonna make a little bit, but if you want a lot, you make more. All right, and this is the jackfruit. I just bought it from the store, and I take them up in small pieces, and we're just gonna blend it. All right, puree it. And now to get it puree, I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup of water, or less, just a little bit. Alright guys, once you get it puree like that, then we're gonna move on to the next step. I'm gonna use my coconut heavy cream, and this is good for whipping cream. Alright, so you can guys, it has something on the top. I don't want this part, I want the cream part, so I'm gonna strain this part off. This is the real coconut oil. And now I'm gonna use 1/2 cup of this one. And now guys, I'm just gonna whip this. Alright guys, so this is the whip I get from it, really creamy. And 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and this is the sweetened coconut milk. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup. And at the same time, I'm gonna go in with my jackfruit. I'm gonna add a few drops of this yellow food coloring to give it somewhat a yellow color, but it's optional. All right, I'm gonna put about, say, 5 drops or so, 5 to 7 drops, and I'm gonna give this a little mix. I have a bowl here, and I'm just gonna scoop it in. And now guys, what I have here is some pieces of jackfruit, and I'm just gonna cut them in pieces, so when you bite on it, you can have a little bite of the jackfruit. All right, and I'm just gonna sprinkle this on top. And now I'm gonna cover it with this cling wrap. All right guys, I'm gonna freeze this for about 8 hours or so, or until it's firm. It's been in the fridge for a good long time, more than 8 hours. Anyhow, we're gonna see how it goes. All right, there it is. Woo. I gotta taste some, guys. Look at this goodness. Yes, yes, my jackfruit ice cream. And now guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of this. Which color should I choose? I'm gonna put a little bit of this sprinklers on it. It's optional, you can leave it out. This is my jackfruit ice cream. Look at it, guys. Woo! Yes, yes. Look at that goodness. Super delicious. All right, guys. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Can you see the goodness, guys? Yes. There you have it. Have a wonderful day.